Happy day everyone. In the last video we have completed till the phylum Mollusca. In today's video we will start from the phylum Echinodermata. Let's get into the video. So talking about the Echinodermata, this indicates spiny bodies. This name Echinodermata means spiny bodies. As their body is covered with calcareous ossicles, they have a name Echinodermata, which means spiny bodies. And talking about their habitat, they are exclusively marine. Echinodermata or exclusively marine. In the previous videos we have seen that Ctenophora is also an exclusively marine species, and same way Echinodermata is a exclusively marine. And talking about their symmetry, they possess two symmetry in their different forms. Like in the adult form they will be possessing radial symmetry, but in case of larva they will be possessing the bilateral symmetry. And talking about the digestive system is complete. Whenever we say the digestive system is complete, that means they have two openings, separate two openings. One is mouth in the lower position and another is anus in the upper position. And talking about the special system, they have a water vascular system. In case of Porifera, we talked about water canal system, but here it is water vascular system, which helps them in the locomotion, capturing of the food, transportation of the food, and also for the respiration. And there is no excretory system for them. And talking about the male and female organ, they are dioecious. That means they both present in the different organ. And the development is indirect. That is, larva will be differ from the adult, and the larva will be free swimming. And these are the examples of Echinodermata. And talking about the hemichordata, they are worm-like, small worm-like marine structure, and they are cylindrical in shape. And they have an anterior proboscis, a collar, and a long trunk. Their body is divided into a proboscis, a collar, and a long trunk. And talking about the circulatory system, they are open, they are not closed, and their respiration is done by gills. And for excretory, they have a special organ called proboscis gland. With the help of which they will do the excretion. And they are dioecious, and their fertilization is external, and the development is indirect. And these are the examples of hemichordata. Now we will talk about the phylum Chordata. So what is the salient features of chordata? A chordata should have a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, and a paired pharyngeal gill slits. These are the exclusive features of the chordata. And the chordata also possess post-anal tail. That is, at the posterior end, it will be having an anal tail. And talking about the circulatory system, it should be closed. And the chordata is further divided into three subphyla, which is Urochordata or Tunicata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. The first two, which is Urochordata and Cephalochordata, together are called as protochordates. That is 1 and 2 I have mentioned, and these both are exclusively marine. Urochordata and Cephalochordata, which are called as protochordates, are exclusively marine. On the first case, that is Urochordata, the notochord will be present in the larval train. Whereas in the second case, which is a Cephalochordata, the notochord will be extended from the head to tail. That is the name cephalo. You know that cephalo means head. As the notochord is present to the head to the tail, they are called as Cephalochordata, and this notochord is persistent throughout their life in case of Cephalochordata. So let's quickly revise the three phylums which we have learned today: Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and Chordata. Talking about Echinochordata, the name means spiny bodies. They have a calcareous ossicles, and they are exclusively marine, and they show two types of symmetry, and their digestive system is also complete with mouth and anus, and they have a special water vascular system, and there is no excretory system in them, and in the larva stage is free swimming. And talking about Hemichordata, they are worm-like cylindrical marine organisms, and their body is divided into proboscis, a collar, and a trunk, and their circulatory system is open, and their respiration is through gills, and for excretion they have a special organ gland called proboscis gland. And talking about the chordata, notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits are the special features of chordates, and they should have closed circulatory system, and they might be having the post-anal tail. And the Cephalochordata is further divided into three: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata, and the first two together called as the protochords. So we have completed till chordates. We will see the subdivisions and the classes are in the chordates.